Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. First, the to-do list. These are the tasks we need to complete for today. Let's see some speed maths questions. I have already said you to revise 1 to 60 squares and cubes of 1 to 20. Let's see this one. I have already taught you how to find the square root. This one I by hearted as 23 means 48. Okay, this is 48. It is 9 cube. 1764, which is 42 square. 13824. Here 4, so it is 4. Leaving 3 digits. 13. 13 is cube for 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So 24. So our answer is 24. Now let's see the percentages. How to calculate 10 percentage of 6500. If we see 10 percentage, we will place a digit from the right side after one digit. So 10% value is 650. What will be the 1% value means we place a digit after two digits. We place a point after two digits. So 1% value is 65. So what will be the 20 percentage of 6500 is, we already calculated the 10 percentage value. So into 2 times will be 20. So 650 into 2 times will be 20% value, which is 1300. Okay. So what will be the 2 percentage value? We have already seen 20% value. This is 2 percentage value, 130. Or else we have 1 percentage value is 65. What will be the 2 percentage value means into 2 times. So 65 into 2 times will be 130. Okay, let's see some more. What is 10% of 3250? The value will be placing digit point after one digit. We get 325. Okay, what will be 50%? Either we can calculate into 5 times, or else 50% means half of this one. 100% is 3250. Half of 3250 is 50%. So 5 times of this one. 5 times is 25. 5 2 times 10, 12. 5 3 times 15, 16. 16, 25. Half of this one is also this. Let's see some other tricks. If we see a percentage and a double zero, then it will be cancelled. Percentage and double zeros will be cancelled. We get x into 65. If we see a percentage and a double zero, we cancel. We will have 5 into 22. Yesterday I have taught you how to calculate this one. 5 2 times is 10. 10 into 11 means 110. Okay. Let's see one more trick for the percentages. If we see a percentage, a single zero, a 5 multiple, a 2 multiple, then the answer will be divide this one with 2 multiple 22 and divide this with 5, 9. This will be the answer. 9 2 times is 18. 18 into 11 means sum of these two numbers 198. This is our answer. Yesterday I have taught you how to multiply this 35 with 11. Let's see this one. 3, 5. Sum of these two numbers 8. Let's see how to multiply this one. If we see a 0.5, we can write this as 8 into 2 times into 24.5 times. We can able to calculate 2 into 24.5 times. 2 times of 24 means 48. 48 and this will be becomes 1. 49. So 8 into 49. This will be calculated as 8 into 50 minus 1. 8 5 times is 400. 400 minus 8 will be 392. So our answer is 392. In our mind calculation, we need to eliminate this one. And we'll go through this part. we can able to calculate faster without using this type. 8 9 times is 72, and 8 4 times 32 39 392. As you wish. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle of week based. 7 persons are going to market on 7 different days on the same week, starting from Sunday to Saturday. So Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's take the probability lines. Okay, let's write the rough statements in the side. Okay, let's see what is the question. The number of persons goes between U and V is less than U and V is less than number of persons goes between S and P. S and P. R goes immediately before P. R goes immediately before P. And none of them goes on Monday. Means from the possibilities will be R, P, R and P, R and P. One more possibility, R and P. The 4 possibilities we have. Now let's see the question. Q goes immediately before U. Q goes immediately before U. More than 3 persons goes before T. More than 3 persons goes before T. And V goes before S. V goes before S, and only 2 people goes between them. Means this one. Okay. If we see V, 2 persons and S, there is only possibility of placing these here, and in this we can place only here. If we see V double dash S, S R, another possibility comes V S R and P. This is also possible. Okay, in this one we can place V 1 to S, or else V 1 to here V 1 to S, R and P. These are the possible cases we got. Here we can write Q and U are immediate neighbors. So this is the only place for Q and U. It is T's place. Then this case fails. So this one fails. Okay. The place of Q and U is here. T is possible here. More than 3 people are on the top. Okay. Q and U are immediate neighbors, and T more than 3 people. Q and U. Here it is T. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 people are possible. So 3 possibilities came. Here it is Q and U. T becomes on the top. This fails. If we place anywhere Q and U are immediate neighbors, there another people will be T, and no possible of T at this place. Okay, let's see what is the remaining. U and V in between is less than S and P. U and V 1 person. S and P means S and P also 1 person. This fails. U and V 1 person. S and P also 1 person. This also fails. U and V only 1 person. S and P there will be 2 persons. So this one is satisfying. So our answer will be, let's write on this side. Our answer will be V, Q, U, S, T, R and P. This is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, we will go through the questions directly. K to H. Where is K? K to N is possible. N to O, W, W to H it is going. K to E. K to E it is not going, false. N to O. N to Z, Z to K, F. F to no possible. Z, D, K no possible, false. Z to D with equal to also. Z to K, K to F. F to some any other way, false, false. Okay, then we'll go with question number 3. J to X, J to D, D to C, C to A is possible. J to V is not going, so false. D to V everywhere with equal to also. Where is D? D to C, C to A is possible. A to V is not possible, false. Okay, let's see Fourth one, O to G. O to D is possible, D to C, C to K, K to G, it is 2. F to P with equal to also. Where is F? F to D is possible, D to C, K is possible, K to P is possible, but there is no equal to in this, so this will false. G to H, G to P is possible, P to Y is possible, Y to K, X and H is also true. P to K, P to Y is possible, Y to K is possible, true. These syllogisms questions. Only tiffin is bottle. Means bottle, tiffin. No tiffin is cup. Only few cup is saucer. Only few cup is saucer. Let's see conclusions. Some bottle is cup. Some bottle cup false. Second one. Some tiffin is saucer. Tiffin saucer direct conclusion false. Okay, next. Only a few spoon is fork. Only a few spoon is fork. All fork is knife. Only a few knife is cup. Only few knife is cooker. Okay, conclusions. All cooker being fork is a possibility. All cooker being a fork is a possibility as it is true. Second one. Some spoon being cooker is a possibility. Some spoon being cooker is a possibility as it is true. Let's see question number 3. Only a few chair is table. Only a few chair is table. Only a few table is bench. Only a few table is bench. Mostly bench is window. Mostly means some. Some bench is window. Some bench is window. Let's see conclusions. All chair is bench. All chair is bench. Direct conclusion false. Second one. Some table is not bench. All table can be bench. Possibility. All table can be bench. No, not possible. So this one is true. Let's see question number 4. All mountain is hill. All mountain is hill. No hill is landscape. Only a few landscape is cyclone. No cyclone is drought. Conclusion. Some hill are cyclone. Some hill are cyclone. Direct conclusion false. Second one. Some cyclone can be hill. Some cyclone can be hill as it is true. Let's see. Fifth one. All keyboard is mouse. All laptop is mouse. All laptop is mouse. Only a few mouse is software. Only few mouse is software. Let's see conclusions. Some mouse is software. Mouse is software as it is true. Some mouse is laptop. Some mouse is laptop as it is true. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we are going to see simplifications. Question number 1. 2304 divided by 8, which is 48. 48 divided by 8 means 6 plus cube root of 7.9. This is 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 1764, which is 42. 42 divided by 7, which is 6. Total equals to x. 12 plus 3, 15. So option A is our answer. Question number 2. 1003 divided by 17. 17 5 times and 9 times into cube root of 125, which is 5 times, plus this is 22 into 9 times equals to 17x. This is 592 plus 18198 equals to 17x. 3 and 9 4 equals to 17x. 17 2 times and 9 times. So our answer is 29. Option D. Question number 3. This is 8963 minus 5989 plus 25 into 78 whole divided by 15% of 500 means 15. 5 times is 75. 3 times 3, 2 times and 6 times we get 3 plus 6, 9, 9 minus 9, 0. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 5, 3, 3000. 3000 is our answer. Option E. Now, question number 4. 144 divided by 12 square means 1 divided 1% of 480 means 4.8 plus 11 into 35, 35 plus 385. This is 389.8. This 51 comes this side, 51.2. 10, 11. This is 11. Okay, this will be 9 plus 5, 14, 441 whole equals to x square. So our answer x equals to 21. Option B. Question number 5. This will be 24 plus this will be 39 divided by 3 means 13 equals to x minus 324 minus it will be 8 into 24 2 times is 48 48 plus 1 49 8 9 times is 72 8 4 times 32 392 324 minus 392 means x minus of 68. Okay, this will be x plus 68 comes this side. This will be 37. This will be minus 68 comes this side. Therefore, answer x equals to minus 31. So our option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Question number 1. This will be 5 12 times is 60 means 15 4 times. The roots are in negative and positive. Okay, here this will be multiplied with 5 y square is 26 y plus 24 equals 0. 5 24 times is 120. 120 means 26 times. So our roots are 20 and 6. Both the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Question number 3. It is 195 divided by 3 means 3 6 times and 5 times. So the roots are in 13 5 times and root 3 will be there. Okay. Next. This is 180. 45 4 times. And the roots are in positive and negative. Yes, so we need to calculate this one. And here the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. So no relation. Now moving for question number 4. 140. 140 means 28 5 times. Okay. And the roots are in negative. Here it is 90. 90 means 16 5 15 6 times is 90 and the roots are in negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 3. This will become 15 and this becomes more than this number. So it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. This is the answer. Here it is 168. 168 means 14 12 times and 2, which will be, we need to get this is 28 12 times are our roots and the roots are in positive and negative. Okay, here the roots are 228 means this will be 2 into 20 228 will be 12 19 times. So this will be 24 19 times. The roots are in negative. Okay, by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Question number 5. 168. 68 means 14 or 12 times and 2. This will be 28 to 12 times. The roots are in positive and negative. Here it will be 2 into, this will be 19 12 times. We need to get 24 19 times is 43. So our roots are in negative. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Now we are going to see 5 mixed arithmetic questions. A car is running with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Takes 6 hours to go from P to Q. Okay, while returning from Q to P, the car takes 33.33% more. Means 33.33 means 1/3. More means 4/3. Okay, more time while going from P to Q. While P to Q it takes 6 times. Okay, so it will be 8 hours. So what we need to do, then find the approximate average of the car during the whole journey. P to Q total distance will be 80 into 6 times, which is 480 and Q to P is also 480. Total 960 is the total distance. Average is equals to total distance by time, total time. Here it is 6 hours plus here it is 8 hours. Total 960 divided by 14. 14 6 times is 84, and we'll do 8 times and 0.5 times, and it is approximate value, so 68.5 is our answer. Option D. Question number 2. P and Q started a business investing in 7200 and 4800. Their investment ratio are in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay, let's see the next one. P works as a manager, so he entitled a 25% of total profit. These are 5. Let the profit be 20. Okay, so P takes 25%, means 25% of 20 means 5. P takes 5. P takes 5. Okay, next. If at the end of the year the total amount received by P is 6400 more than the Q, then find the total profit earned by the business. Okay, if we take 5, remaining with remaining is 15. This 15 is shared in the ratio of 3 is to 2. This will be 9, and this will be 2 3 times 6. Okay, so total P got 9 plus 5, which is 14. Q got 6. So what he gave, the total amount received, P get 6400 more. What is the difference here? Here the difference is 8 parts. 8 parts value is 6400, means 800. So this is total 20, means 20 parts value will be 800 into 20, which is 1600. 20 parts value will be 1600. So our answer is option A. Question number 3. A container contains 140 liters mixture of milk and water. 140 liters milk and water. 70% is milk. 70% means 14. 7 times is 98, and this will be 42. To equally balance the quantities of milk and water, X liters of water is to be added. To make them equal, we need to add 40, no, 56. He said which will be X, so this will be X. Okay, but instead of adding X liters water, X liters of milk was added, so 56 liters of milk was added to this. Okay, find the ratio of the milk and water in the final mixture. So the water will remains 42, and it will be, this is 14 and 154. 722 times 7, 6 times 3 is to 11. So our answer is 11 is to 3. Option C. Question number 4. Anuj spent 40% of his annual income on his children's education. That is 400, and he spent 40 on children education. Out of the remaining, means 60. Out of the remaining, he spent 20% on rent and 15% on food. Total 35% is completed. So 35% he is completed, remains with 65%. 65 into 160 is the his savings. If his annual savings is 1560, which is 15600. Okay, let's see. This will all will be X. Okay, this will be X. We get 0 0 cancelled. This is 13 5 times. Okay, 13 12 times 1 to 156, so 1200. We have 5 6 times is 30. 30 x by 10. whole equals to 1200. We get 3 400 times. X value is 400. So what will be 100x? 100 times means 40,000. 40,000 is his annual salary. Annual income is 40,000. Question number 5. Ankit marked an article 30% above its cost price and sold it after two successive discounts of 20% and 80% respectively. The cost price of the article is 3500. CP is 3500. 30% above its cost price means 350 into 3 times is 1050. 1050 adding to this is market price, which will be 0554. 4550 is the market price. Now if the cost price candidate is selling price is 2730, then find the value of D. First he gave the discount of 20%, means left with 80% means 8 by 10. Okay, 80 by 10, 100 means 8 by 10. Okay, this will be D percent means 100 minus D divided by 100 whole equals to, this will be the selling price 2730. Okay, now it will be 4 times and 5 times. This 0 and this 0 cancels. 5 9 times and 1 time. 91 3 times. We get 100 minus D is equals to 3 by 4 into 100. 425 times. This is 75. 75 100 minus D. So D value will be 25. So our answer will be option D, 25. Now it is your task to find the answers for these wrong number series questions and missing number series questions. Thanks for watching.